Friends, in this video I am going to solve this problem without using mole formula. So in order to do this kind of problem, first you need to establish the relationship between the gram molecular mass of a molecule, moles and volume of the substance. We know 1 mole of any substance is consisting of 1 gram molecular mass or 1 gram atomic mass, and it should be equivalent to 22.4 liters at standard temperature and pressure. Here in the question, calculate number of molecules, number of moles, number of units of GMM, volume and number of particles in 440 grams of CO2. First step, we need to calculate the molecular mass of the CO2. What is the molecular mass of CO2? The molecular mass of CO2 is so carbon atomic weight is 12 and oxygen atomic weight is 16. Like that, how many oxygens are there? 2. So 2 into 16, which will be is equal to 12 plus 32, 44 grams. So if we had taken 44 grams of carbon dioxide, it will be equivalent to 1 mole. So as per our basic sample, so 44 grams of CO2 is equivalent to 1 mole, which should consisting of 1 GMM and which is equal to 22.4 liters and which is equal to Avogadro number of particles. In that question, we need to calculate the number of moles present in 440 grams. So 440 grams of CO2 will consisting of how many moles? Let us consider, and that one is equivalent to A moles, and consisting of how many gram equivalent? Let us consider that gram equivalent are B, and which should consisting of the volume of C, and this should be consisting of the molecules of D. So this is the main step to solve these kind of problems without using formula. So in the next step, you need to do cross multiplication. So now I am going to do cross multiplication between the parameters like this. So 44, after doing cross multiplication, 44 into A is equal to 440 into 1. That implies 44 ones are 44 tens are. A is equal to 10 moles. In the second step, I am going to do cross multiplication between these two parameters. Now the equation will become as 44 into B is equal to 440 into 1 GMM. Again 44 ones are 44 tens are. Therefore B is equal to how many GMM? 10 units of GMM. Next, the third step, I am going to do cross multiplication between gram parameters and liter parameters. Then what will you get? So here 44 into C, which will be equal to 22.4 into 440. 44 ones are 44 tens are. C is equal to 22.4 into 10. However, it will be equivalent to 244 liters. In the fourth step, I am going to do cross multiplication between the gram parameters with Avogadro number parameters. So in this step, you are going to get 44 into D, which will be is equal to Na. Instead of Na, I will write Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into 440. 44 ones are 44 tens are. Therefore, D is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 multiplied by 10. So you will get 6.022 into 10 to the power of 24. Therefore, what is our answer? 440 grams of CO2 will consisting of how many moles? 10 moles, which will be equal to 10 gram molecular mass, which will be consisting of 224 liters. 224 liters. And in the same way, which will be consisting of how many number of particles? 10 Na number of particles. In the similar way, do the same problem by using 880 grams of CO2. This is your homework, children. Yes, another problem. Calculate number of moles, number of units of GMM, volume of CO2 if it contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of particles. First, 1 mole of any substance will consisting of Avogadro number of particles. That is the thumb rule to solve this kind of problem. So here 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of carbon dioxide will be equivalent to 1 mole, which should be consisting of 1 GMM, which should be consisting of 22.4 liters at STP. This is the main thumb rule to solve this kind of problem. Now, in the question he had given 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22 units. So here I had written, even you can take 6.022, nothing matter, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22, which will be consisting of how many moles, which should be consisting of how many GMMs, which should be consisting of how many liters. Let us consider it should be consisting of A mole, it should consisting of B GMM units, it should be consisting of C number of liters. Then in the next step, this is the main heart of this problem. Writing of this step is main heart of this problem. Next, do cross multiplication, then you will get the answer. So in order to get the number of moles, I will do cross multiplication between the particles parameter and mole parameters. Now you will get A into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 is equal to 1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22. So you will get 6.022 and 6.022 will get cancelled. 10 to the power of 22, here you will get 1. So then you will get A is equal to 1 by 10 moles, nothing but, therefore A is equal to 0.1 mole. Coming to the second one, number of units of GMM. Same, you should write the cross multiplication between the molecules parameter and gram molecular mass parameter. Now you will get the equation as B into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, which will be is equal to 1 GMM into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22. 6.022 will get cancelled. 10 to the power of 22, here you will get 1. Therefore B is equal to 10. Here B into 10 is which will be is equal to 1. So the answer will be 1 by 10, which will be equal to 0.1 units of GMM. The third step. Now in order to get the volume of the gas, I need to write the cross multiplication between molecule parameter and liter parameter. Then the equation will become C into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, which will be is equal to 22.4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22. 22 1 by will get cancelled. 6.022 and 6.022 will get cancelled. Then you will get C is equal to 22.4 divided by 10. Therefore C is equal to 2.24 liters. See children, in order to solve this kind of problem, try to don't use formula. Thank you.